Hello, Class 10 Springfielders. Welcome to the virtual learning session. The pandemic breakdown has brought everything to halt, but life must go on, and education and career are an important part of life. Therefore, let's stay connected with the technology and step forward. On this note, I begin today's class on topic Climate of India. India lies to the south of Asia. It has tropical monsoon type of climate. That means we have change of seasons. The word monsoon has been derived from an Arabic word mosam, means change of seasons. Now we have before us two terms, climate and weather. Both refers to the state of atmospheric condition of elements like sunshine, temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, clouds, and precipitation over an area. Sunshine. The light and heat we receive from the sun. Temperature. Hotness or coolness of a place. Wind. Natural movement of air around us. Atmospheric pressure. Force of air on a surface. High temperature, low pressure. Low temperature, high pressure. Humidity. Presence of water vapor in the atmosphere. Clouds. A visible mass of condensed watery vapor floating in the atmosphere during summer. In clear sky, we are able to see white clouds. It indicates low humidity. Rainy season, dense clouds or black grey clouds in the sky. It indicates high humidity. Precipitation, form of water as rain, snow, dew, frost, and hail. Though both climate and weather refer to the same element, they differ. Difference between weather and climate. Weather, a state of atmosphere over an area at a particular time, short period and small area. Example, weather of Hyderabad. At present at Hyderabad it is raining. Maybe by the end of the day sun may shine brightly and temperature may increase. This we call weather conditions. Climate, a state of atmospheric condition and variation over a large area for a long period of time. It is for more than 30 years. Long period and large area. Example, climate of India. We have change of seasons in India. Summer, winter and rainy season, which is for a long time over the vast country like India. This we call climatic condition. Have you ever seen the weather column given in the first page of newspaper with maximum temperature, minimum temperature, rainfall and humidity of a place? How is it possible? Yes, it is possible. by climograph or climatographs. What is climograph? The pattern of the element of weather and climate for a place can be shown by using pictures called climograph or climatograph. Climographs show average monthly values of maximum temperature, minimum temperature, and rainfall for a given place. Let us take the picture or graph given in your textbook, page number 45. Students, open page number 45. I think you have got it. Climograph of a few places in India. Now carefully observe the graph. Blue color bars represent mean rainfall in millimeters. Red curve represents mean maximum temperature and green curve represents mean minimum temperature. Observe the graph given on the left side at the top. It represents New Delhi. Now students, observe the graph carefully and answer me. Which month has highest rainfall at Delhi? Right. It is month of August. Look to the right graph at the top. It represents Leh. Which month has highest maximum temperature and minimum temperature? Good. High temperature in the month of June. Lowest temperature in the month of December. At the bottom to the left represents Jaipur. Which month have been recorded with highest rainfall? Excellent. Month of July and August. At the bottom to the right represents Chennai. Name the month which have recorded the highest temperature. Very good. Month of May and June. Time for recap. We have studied today India has tropical monsoon type of climate. Climate and weather refer to the state of atmospheric condition of elements like sunshine, temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, clouds, and precipitation. Climographs show average monthly values of maximum temperature, minimum temperature, and rainfall for a given place. Students, you will be given PDF notes of this lesson, Climate of India, to write in your classwork. In the meanwhile, try to search answers of the question given here and write it in a separate notebook. Question number 1. Difference between weather and climate. Question number 2. What type of climate does India has? 3. What is climograph? Meet you in the next class and learn about factors influencing climate and weather. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.